family today. This is Shirley's Kitchen. Welcome back. And I'm also welcoming my new subscribers today. New people to the kitchen. If you have never been here before, it's no mistake. Stay with me today because I'm making this salmon, jerk salmon today, as you can see. And our Jamaican fried rice, Shirley's Kitchen style. So I'm adding some olive oil to the salmon. And then I'm going to add my homemade jerk marinade. This is going to go in the oven. I don't need any seasoned salt because I already added salt to my jerk season. So as I go along, you'll see how I do this. And I'm going to put this in the oven after I add this jerk sauce on. That's it. I'm going to leave it on the bottom and leave the top up. Already set on 350 and I'm going to let it go for 20 minutes. The salmon is in the oven, so now I'm going to prepare the fried rice that I mentioned. And here is my onions chopped, scallions, and my ginger and my garlic, my vegetables that's going in. Over here I have some steamed vegetables also will be going in, and here's the rice. I pre-cooked my rice and let it cool so it's ready to go. I'm using olive oil today. And I'm going to begin with my rice. Pour in the rice. Remember, this is Shirley's Kitchen, so there's no special way to do this. This is my way. Okay. I'm gonna add some more rice. Maybe another cup or half a cup. Okay, that should be this right here. So I'm gonna go on with the rice. And when I get ready to put the vegetables in, I'll see you then. So here we go, I'm gonna add my shredded cabbage along with the bell peppers. I'm going to do my onions. Along with my garlic. Yes, I have garlic too. Remember, this is Shirley's Kitchen. Shirley does what Shirley do in her kitchen. Okay. I'm gonna pour some of my mushroom sauce. Not too much. Okay, it's turning a little darker, which is what I want. Not too dark. Okay, I'm gonna add a little pinch of Caesar salt. Some powdered ginger. Already put fresh ginger with a little powder. And this is some more ginger, fresh ginger.
Double ginger.
I'm going to stir it up again. Keep frying it up. And I think I'm going to put some water in also. A little water here. Here's where I'm going to add my mixed vegetables. Okay. Let this stay there for a while. I'm adding my black pepper in here. Not a lot. Here I'm putting my special sauce. Fish and meat sauce, that is. And I'm gonna now add my scallions in, green onions, and my special mango sweet sauce. Now we're gonna stir it up again. It smells so delicious. My God. Smells awesome. I cannot describe it, family. It's just what Shirley does in her kitchen.
Smells great. That's a well-seasoned rice.
Yeah. That's Shirley's fried rice. Vegetable fried rice. Oh, Lord. Make a comment. Tell me if you like what Shirley's doing here. Just creating a new thing. Okay. I'm going to taste this. It's good. I'm going to pinch some honey here too. I don't use sugar. Okay, I believe this is done. Wow, it looks good, tastes good, smells good. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit, turn it off. I'm gonna cover it while my salmon, I'm gonna check on that in the oven. Lovely. Let me taste.
Looks good.
So I took the food out the oven. I have a plate right here to show you guys what was the end product. Here it is. This is fried rice with jerk salmon. I'm gonna give it a taste test for you guys. Sorry you're not here to taste it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this awesome journey that we have in this kitchen. Follow me for the next one. It will be a surprise. Thank you. Bye-bye.